The Yeedi Vac 2 Pro combo offers a powerful cleaning experience with its dual vacuuming and mopping capabilities, making it perfect for tackling dried-on stains and cleaning both carpets and hard floors. With advanced three-dimensional obstacle avoidance technology, this robot vacuum easily navigates around everyday household items like pet bowls and kids' toys, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience. Its smart and ultra-slim design allows for precise mapping and efficient cleaning paths, enabling it to reach hard-to-access areas and glide effortlessly around furniture. The Yeedi Vac 2 Pro intelligently identifies floor types and adjusts its cleaning method accordingly, avoiding carpets while mopping and enhancing suction when vacuuming for optimal results. Users can customize their cleaning experience through the intuitive Yeedi app, allowing for adjustments in vacuuming and water levels, room selection, and even voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Boasting an extended runtime of 240 minutes on a single charge, the Yeedi Vac 2 Pro is ideal for large homes, automatically recharging and resuming cleaning as needed.